Welcome to Growth Engineering, the platform where marketing meets engineering and data becomes your competitive advantage. Now, in the last video, we did explain why traditional email automation is broken and how AI-powered autoresponders can be the game changer. Today, I'll be showing you the entire system from how we set up Webhook in Make.com to capture leads real time. Now, here is the overview. Webhook captures lead. Airtable checks history, routing decides, AI crafts message, and Gmail sends the copy. It may sound complex, but I can guarantee you, after walking you through till the end of this series, you will be able to set this up for your business or even set it for a client. A webhook is like a digital doorbell. When somebody fills out a form on the platform, for instance, Typeform, Google Sheets, Google Forms, or even forms on your website, the webhook instantly notifies me that comes and sends data over. This allows us to automate real time without delay. Now, you can think of it as a system. Rather than wait for someone to download the CSV files like Google Sheets, the system instantly sends data over once an event triggers. Here is a workflow for building. Webhook listens for form submission. Airtable stores and retrieves leads history. Router notes checks if history exists. OpenAI generates personalized emails, and Gmail sends emails to the lead. In this video, we will be covering step 1 to 2 and show you how we set up Webhook and make the connection to the Typeform.
So here we have to make.com. And now log in with your credentials and create a new scenario. Once you have a scenario, the dashboard appears. You have your first node, this big plus sign. We can just search for Webhook. Okay, so we have various options. We have under Webhook, we have custom Webhook, Webhook response, custom mail hook. However, this is the only scope of this video, so I'm not going to explain each and every one of them, but I'll just say for our use case for today, we're going to be using custom Webhook. So you click on it, and at this point, we need to configure. Let's give the hook a meaningful name. We could call it capture the 2 or 1, and then click on the save button. We have that. Now, the next thing would be for us to ensure we copy the URL properly. Ensure or click on this button, copy address to clipboard, but I've copied the URL. So I can now, at this point, I can click save, and the webhook is set up. Now we head to Typeform to ensure we facilitate the connection. Okay. So we head to Typeform. Here we are on Typeform. So at this point, when you log in with your credentials, you come to your workspace. You can create a new form. But I'm not going to create a new form now because this is just a demo. I have a couple of forms that I've created earlier. So I'll just try to connect the webhook to one of the forms that I've created earlier. So I have this interface. Now you look at the top, you have the menu. So you head to connect. Now we go to Webhook, and then we have the credentials that we copied from make.com. So here we have the credentials paste into the webhook, and we can now click on Save Webhook. Once that is done, ensure to turn it on, because if you do not turn it on, then the webhook will not fire. There will be a connection. So right now we have the toggle turned on, and we can now go ahead and say, let's try out, let's test the hook itself and see how it will respond. So I simply just open a new window and type in, now I have my Typeform open. Yeah, as you can see, the fields that I included in my Typeforms to collect data. So I'll use them. And this is just a text box. Let's say let me use any name on one so judge test purpose. You now click on submit. Yep. So once, and I'm sure you will get the data. Wow. So we have it all set up, everything fired and initialized, operation 1, bundle, the event ID, the event type, from responder, commit, analyze. So everything properly set up. So right now we can see that we have our webhook connected to our lead form.
In this video, you have learned how to capture lead using Webhook and how to connect your Typeform to Link.com. This is a most-critical step in building a smart, intelligent, AI-powered autoresponder. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to connect Airtable for storing and retrieving leads history, and as well as set up a router that will create a smart branching logic. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media platforms. And as well, if you need access to a more detailed walkthrough with all the code snippet, the prompts, and even more detailed information about how we built the entire flow, I've provided a link below. Click on it, send your request, and I'll make sure you have access to the entire files that will enable you build a smart, intelligent autoresponder. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.